Ever wondered how digital marketing can skyrocket your business? At its core, digital marketing involves promoting products or services through digital channels, aiming to connect with consumers right where they spend a considerable chunk of their time, online. In today's digital-first world, mastering this art can significantly increase your visibility, boost engagement, and enhance conversions. From small startups to large enterprises, digital marketing levels the playing field, offering powerful tools to reach and engage a targeted audience effectively. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of effective digital marketing strategies. Why should every business invest in digital marketing? Well, let's dive into the reasons. First off, digital marketing is remarkably cost-effective compared to traditional marketing avenues. With digital strategies, businesses can target specific demographics with unprecedented precision. Think of it as the sniper rifle of marketing. Plus, the ability to track and analyze every campaign in real time allows for quick adjustments and efficient budgeting. This not only maximizes ROI, but also levels the playing field, giving small and medium businesses a fighting chance against the big players. Imagine reaching thousands of potential customers with just a few clicks. Ready to transform your business? Let's dive into the basics of digital marketing. Begin by embracing social media marketing. It's your gateway to engaging directly with your audience. Next, focus on content marketing. Create valuable content that resonates and educates your audience. Don't forget about SEO. Optimize your content to ensure you're found online. And finally, leverage email marketing to keep your audience informed and engaged. Start small, test your strategies, and scale up those that deliver results. Dive into digital marketing and watch your business grow. Join us on this exciting journey at Click Connect. Want to dive deeper into digital marketing, freelancing, and AI? We've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest insights. We're not just a channel, we're a community, so share your experiences, your triumphs and trials in digital marketing. Tell us what you're keen to learn. This is your space to connect, to share, and to grow. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's connect and flourish together.